Hello, I'm Abhishek. In this video, we are going to discuss set 8 of the reasoning section of CAT 2018 slot 2 paper. So here is the question. The question is, each visitor to an amusement park needs to buy a ticket. Tickets can be platinum, gold or economy. Visitors are classified as old, middle-aged or young. The following facts are also known about them. On a particular day, a total number of 140 tickets were sold. The number of middle-aged visitors was twice that of number of old visitors, while the number of young visitors was twice that of middle-aged visitors. Young visitors bought 38 of the 55 economy tickets that were sold, and they bought half the total number of platinum tickets that were sold. The number of gold tickets bought by old visitors was equal to number of economy tickets bought by old visitors. So all this was the information that was given to us. Now हम try करेंगे कि इस information को use करके set को कैसे solve किया जा सकता है. तो first of all one by one हम use करने की कोशिश करते हैं. So the total number of ticket was 140. तो जो भी इधर का sum है that must be equal to 140. Number of middle age was twice the number of old. So let the number of old people be x. So middle x will get 2x. And number of young was twice that of middle age. So this will be 4x then. अब इसका sum that is 7x must be equal to total number of tickets sold. So from here we will get the value of x to be 20. So from here we can say that there were total of 80 young visitors, 40 middle-aged visitors, and 20 old visitors. Fine. Now further, the young visitors bought 38 of 55 economy tickets that were sold. So economy tickets that were sold was 55, और उसमें से 38 young people ने purchase किए. And they bought half the total number of platinum tickets that were sold. Platinum ticket जितनी भी थी, let it be 4y, उसकी half young people ने purchase किए. तो 2y young people ने purchase किए. The number of gold tickets bought by old visitors, let this be x, was equal to the number of economy tickets bought by old visitors. This is also x. Now we know that this plus this plus this must be equal to 20. So this must be then 20 minus 2x. Fine. Now guys, the key to solve this question is don't include much variables. We already have two variables, so हमको try ये करना है कि इन दो variable को use करके ही हम ये पूरा set solve कर दें. ठीक है? ये कैसे कर सकते हैं एक बार देखते हैं. So total ticket were 4y, उसमें से 2y इधर हो चुकी थी. तो here it must be 2y minus this value. फिर हम उसको लिखेंगे 2y, ये plus हो जाएगा, and this will be minus 20. ये यहाँ पर होना चाहिए था. Fine. तो यहाँ पर the total number of ticket was 55. उसमें से 38 यहाँ हो चुकी हैं, तो the sum of these two must be 17. उसमें से this is x, so this must be 17 minus x. ये भी हमने fill कर लिया. We don't have much information about the gold part, but then we can check it column wise. यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे total must be 40. 40 में से हम ये दोनों values minus करें, तो we'll get the value of this. Fine. और 80 यहाँ पर टोटल है. 80 में से हम ये दोनों माइनस करेंगे तो we'll get the value of this. So 80 minus 38 is 42. 42 minus 2y. So here it must be 42 minus 2y. और what we can do is देखिए total number of ticket was 140, out of which 55 यहाँ पर हो चुका है, 4y यहाँ पर हो चुका है. तो यहाँ पर कितना होना चाहिए? 140 minus 55 and minus 4y. ये गोल्ड वाली होनी चाहिए. तो this is 85 minus 4y. ठीक है. अब 85 minus 4y में से यदि मैं इसको और इसको माइनस कर दूंगा तो we'll get this part as well. So on solving this we'll get 43 minus 2y minus x. Fine. So काफी वैल्यूज हमें मिल चुकी हैं x और y के टर्म में. Now let us move to the question part. Question क्या है वो देखते हैं एक बार. Okay. So here is the first question. If the total if the number of old visitors buying platinum ticket was equal to the number of middle-aged visitors buying platinum ticket, the number of old buying platinum, that is 20 minus 2x, is equal to number of middle-aged buying platinum ticket, so that is equal to 2y plus 2x minus 20. Then which among the following could be the total number of platinum tickets sold? The total number of platinum tickets sold is 4y. So basically we need to calculate the value of this 4y. Now see, the 4y, this 4y is multiple of 4. So although using this information only we can eliminate option B and option C, but still हम definite answer नहीं बता पाएंगे because the remaining two options are multiple of 4. So let us try कि कैसे इस question को solve किया जा सकता है. So इस particular equation को यदि हम solve करें So we'll get this is 2y plus 4x minus 40 is equal to 0. Fine. But we need to calculate the value of 4y. Na? So let us focus on 4y only. I am multiplying this equation by 2. So 4y plus 8x minus 80 is equal to 0. Fine. Or we can say that 4y is equal to 80 minus 8x. But still, अभी हम 4y की value नहीं बता सकते हैं because that depends on the value of x. So now let us check it out कि x पे क्या condition है. From here we can say that 70 minus x must be greater than or equal to 0. Why? Number of tickets sold cannot be negative now. So from this we can say that x is less than or equal to 70. And from here, this 20 minus 2x, this must also be greater than or equal to 0. So from here we can say that 2x must be less than or equal to 10 or x must be less than or equal to 10. Oh sorry, this is 20, x must be less than or equal to 10. So from these two conditions, we can say that the value of x must be less than or equal to 10. Now, when x is equal to 10, then the value of 4y will be, I am substituting 10 over here, 80 minus 80, that will give us 0. Fine, which is not in the option. When the value of x is 9, x can take any integral value less than 10, any natural number. So 4y will be how much? 80 minus 9 into 8, 72. That is 8. When x is equal to 8, then 4y will be 80 minus 64. That is 16. When x is equal to 7, then 4y will be how much? 7 into 8 is 56. So this will be 24. So you can see that ये 8 की multiple में increase हो रहा है. So our answer should be a multiple of 8, and multiple of 8 you can see 32 is the only option that is multiple of 8. So from here we can say that the answer is 32. In fact, you can find it out as well. When x is equal to 6, we will get the answer as 32, which is one of the possible values. Fine. So the correct answer to this question is 32. Let's move to the second question. Okay, so the second question of this set is, if the number of old visitors buying gold ticket, what is strictly greater than number of young visitors buying gold ticket? So number of old visitors buying gold ticket, that is x, is strictly greater than, strictly greater means this cannot be equal to, that is greater than the number of young visitors buying gold ticket. So young visitors buying gold ticket, that is 42 minus 2y. Fine. Now the question is, we need to find the number of middle-aged visitors buying gold tickets. Middle-aged visitors buying gold ticket. So we need to find the value of 43 minus 2y minus x. Fine. इसकी वैल्यू हमको पता करनी है. So आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे 43 चाहिए, we have 42 over here. यहाँ पे we need 2y, we have 2y over here, और यहाँ पे x चाहिए, x भी यहाँ पर है. So let us do one thing. 0 should be greater than 42 minus 2y minus x. अब बाकी सारा सेम मिल चुका है, but here we have 43, here we have 42. So let us do one thing, plus 1 both the sides. So 1 should be greater than 43 minus 2y minus x. Fine. Now we know that these are the number of tickets sold. ये integral value होना चाहिए, and integral value less than 1. The only possible value is 0. So the correct answer to this question is 0. Fine. So from here we can say that the number of middle-aged visitors buying gold ticket was 0 in this particular case. Now let's move to the third question of this set. Okay. So third question is, if the number of old visitors buying platinum ticket, number of old visitors buying platinum ticket was equal to the number of middle-aged visitors buying economy ticket. Number of old visitors buying platinum ticket, that is 20 minus 2x, and that is equal to number of old visitors, number of middle-aged visitors buying economy tickets. Number of middle-aged visitors buying economy ticket is 17 minus x. These two values are equal. This is given in the question. Then from here we can say that x is equal to 3. Now the number of old visitors buying gold ticket was, old visitors buying gold ticket was x, and x is 3. So the answer to this question is 3 only, simple. Fine. So this was an easy question. Let's move to the last question of this set. Okay. Which of the following statement must be false? We need to go for the false statement. On the false that we need to find out. The number of gold and platinum tickets bought by young visitors were equal. Gold and platinum bought by young visitors were equal. So 42 minus 2y must be equal to 2y. From here we get the value of y as 10.5. Is that possible? See, this might be possible value. Why? Because अब देखेंगे हमने कहीं पर भी y alone we haven't used. We always have used 2y. See, here it is for 4y, here it is 2y, here also it is 2y, here it is 2y, here it is 2y. So हमने y कभी भी alone use नहीं किया है, and 2y is an integer. So this is a possible case. तो ये हो सकता है. Fine, but we are looking for the wrong statement. So first हमारा answer नहीं है. Let's check out for the second. The number of middle-aged and young visitors buying gold ticket was equal. Middle-aged and young visitors buying gold ticket was equal. So basically 42 minus 2y must be equal to 43 minus 2y minus x. 2y and 2y gets cancelled out and x comes out to 1, which is a possible value of x. Fine. This value of x is not contradicting any of the condition, given condition. Fine. So this is possible. ये भी सही हो सकता है case. Third, the number of old and middle-aged visitors buying economy ticket was equal. Old and middle, so 17 minus x must be equal to x. So x from here comes out to 8.5, which is not possible. We cannot have the value of number of tickets which is not integer. We need it to be an integer value only. It has to be an integer value only. Fine. So from here we can say that this statement is definitely false. Yeah, 100% galat hai. So the correct answer to this question is option C. So this was about this set. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching the video.